Alright, you're welcome. Right in this video, I'm going to be showing you the full process on how I was able to design this flyer for my SAED exhibition, the ICT unit. So I'm going to show you from scratch how this flyer was designed. If you are a copper and you're coming to my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. So let's go into the design. So what I used is an app called Pixellab. It is free on Play Store. So this is the app right here. So this is the interface, how it looks like. Okay, so click on Pixellab. So this is Pixellab right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get the exact size of the design I want to do. Okay, so the exact size is 8 by 5, but this is not the exact size in feet. So but this is the shape. Okay, so you will have to go to Google in order to convert 8 feet to pixel. So that's what you're going to do when you go to Google. Convert 5 feet to pixel and it will give you the result immediately. Alright, so which is what you're seeing here. Before now, you would have written out everything you want to use for the design and you have downloaded the images you want to use. So first of all, I'll put the background that I want to use, which is this background that looks like NYSC, right? Green, yellow, and white. So the next thing now is to import the NYSC logo, which I've already downloaded from Google, and I'm going to import the logo. Okay, so this is the NYSC logo, and I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, so I can reduce the size here using relative size. Then the next thing is to import the logo of the trainer. So we are trained by Climax Crown Global Systems. So they were the ones in charge of ICT unit during the SAED. So, okay, once I've done that, so the next thing is now to write out what will be in the image, in the flyer. So the first thing is NYSC orientation cap header. So this is this. I use my font. So I use Montserrat font. Okay, reduce the size. So this is it. Right, so the next thing is to put the next text, which is welcome you all to our exhibition. So you put it at the center. And select its own font. So after that, the next one is welcome you all to SAED exhibition. So this is it, and that is the boldest according to the principles of design that we learned. So make it the boldest, put it right here, and I'm going to apply some effect like shadow. Then I'm going to put stroke, which is green stroke, in this format. So this is what we have now. So we have this. So the very next thing is to put the next text, which is core members creating wealth. So next thing is just core member creating wealth. So I have to put it and choose my font. Make sure it is centered well. So once that is done, so we are done with this one. So the next thing is now to import a shape, a rectangle, where I placed all the whole pictures from different SAED stand. Okay, so this is it. And the next thing is to double it, put this one down here. So this is what we have. So I'm going to import the images from the different SAED stand. I have a fashion here. So this is how you do it, the whole process. For food processing. So in order to know the exact size, you can check it, 22 by 23. So make sure everything is 22 by 23. The same with this one. So this is it. So I'll import another one. (22 by 23). Okay. So and finally the last one. So, and this is what we have. So I have to make sure all of them are at the center. Select them and move all of them to the center. So right now they are at the center. Okay. So the next thing is now to begin to write out all the other SAED centers that we have and paste them. So we have ICT. So choose my font. I'm going to be using Montserrat Extra. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size. So this is it. So once I've gotten the first one, I'll copy it and use it for the rest. Okay, put it at the center, copy it, delete, and so you just have to make sure that everything enters the way it should. So this is what we have. So the next thing is now the badge that created the project, courtesy of badge C stream 2 of 2022 ICT SAED. So we'll have to put it for everybody to know that. So I have to change the color, probably green, reduce the size, put it at the center. Then the next thing is our trainer. So one of our trainers can use another font for it. So this is it. We are done with this one. So the next thing is now to design the background to make it more attractive, So I'll just get a picture from my background that can make it more attractive. So you can put this particular one, and what you just have to do is to erase some parts. I'm going to erase this part. So erase this part. So this is what we have. So I'm just going to reduce the opacity a little bit, put it behind. So this is what we have right now. So first one, I'm going to color it, let's say, to make it exceptional. Okay, so once you've gotten this, the next thing is just to save my work. So save my work. So before I save it, I must get the exact size of feet. Okay, so you can do that just on Google. See, 5 feet is equal to 5,000 and something pixel. So once you do that correctly, you just have to put it right here and you save your work. So right now I've saved my work. So the next thing I did was to brighten the work. And how did I do that? I went to an app called Remini, and with the Remini I'll brighten my work. So once I'm done with brightening it, I have to put it in a PDF format and send it to the printer. Okay, so you're done. This is the Remini. So has done it. You put it in a PDF format. Once you are done, you name it NYSC SAED projects. Right. So once I'm done, I'm going to save it. So this is it. You can send it to your printer. So this is how I designed the flyer from scratch. If you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on all your notifications. Until then, see you next time. Bye-bye.